and dive down deep, then pop up giggling from their leap.
Three little ducks waddle in a line. Quack, 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 they're doing fine. They march through grass so soft and green, peeking at bugs they have seen.
Four little ducks go peep, 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 playing and splashing in the deep. They paddle under lily pads and scare away some craven frogs.
Five little ducks jump up and down, flap, 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 all around town. They hop on rocks and twirl around, making happy duckling sounds.
Six little ducks march one by one, quack, 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 so much fun. They follow trails through sunny fields, counting flowers that nature yields.
Seven little ducks hide in the hay, peek, 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 let's come and play. They giggle softly, then run out, rattle fast, they're playing about. Eight little ducks dance on the shore, waddle, 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 more and more. They twirl in circles, flap their wings, and laugh as a dragonfly sings. Nine little ducks quack with glee, splish, 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 happy as can be. They slide down mud and jump in puddles, shake their tails with tiny cuddles. 10 little ducks say goodnight, friends, quack, 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 until the day ends. They snuggle close on the soft green grass, dreaming of tomorrow